Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review about Google Pixel Pro which I just launched last week. We have Google Pixel 7 Pro, Google Watch which is actually LTE, and what we have, Google Fast Charger. So I got it from UK with a promotion which cost around £995, and this Google Watch comes with a promotion, and definitely we have to buy chargers alone now or separately. So this is 30 watt USB charger from Google as well. So right now I am going to unbox Google 7 Pro. Let's do it. Very good first impression. Oh, the gold color looks very fine. It's quite attractive. Oops. Here we have a small notebook. One USB converter from USB A to USB C. And now we have USB C to USB C cable. That's good. Okay, so now go for Google 7 Pro. The finishing is very fine, quite attractive. The metal case looks very good, shiny. This is the first impression. Have a close look up. It's look really good. Gorilla Glass Victus. Very good display. The design is really good. Yeah. Okay, let's switch on the phone. Google 7 Pro comes with Android 13, and but Google 6 Pro comes with Android 12. So we have a difference of in Google 7 Pro we have Tensor 5nm G1 processor, but here we have G2 processor with same 5nm. And welcome to this is 256 gigabytes of memory. Skip that part. Continue. Next. The display is really good. It has 1500 nits of display, and okay, 0, 0. I will do that later. Do it later. Okay, so this is a brand new phone. Okay, it's like a normal Google Pixel display, stock Android. Camera looks good. Yes. In the next video I will give you a review about comparing Google camera with maybe S21 Ultra. Yeah, this is about Google 7 Pro. So the main difference costs around £900, but Google 6 Pro comes with around £700. The main difference is about the processor. Google comes with a great promise that they will give a very good processor. GPU is upgraded, and RAM is almost same. Display is about 500 nits, and same Gorilla Glass Victus and Android 13, but Google 6 Pro comes with Android 12. Yeah, that's the main difference, but the design is really good. I like the design. But if you ask me about if we should go for Google 6 Pro or Google 7 Pro, there is not much difference about the specs they have added. They added around £300, but yeah, £300 is more. for the upgrading of processor and something. But if you are buying new something, you want to buy Samsung S21 Ultra or S22 Ultra, and you want to choose Google 7 Pro, I will ask you to buy and go for Google 7 Pro. Stop Android, and yes, first impression really good. Now we have Google Pixel Watch LTE. I'm going to unbox this watch that comes with Google Pixel, and now I'm going to unbox this watch. Let's see what it looks like. This is the first Google Watch, and I'm really excited about it. Let's see. Wow, small dial size. You can see it looks very nice. The AMOLED display is very nice in there. Only display. With a big roll here. But yeah, I'm also looking at it for the first time, so it's 44 mm, and the watch you are watching is 46 mm, and you see the difference between Google Galaxy Watch 4 and this is Google Watch 44 mm. This is 46 mm Galaxy Watch and this is 44 mm Google Watch. Yeah, let's see. Here we have a full rubber band, and you can see, wow, you can see there's a small touch button there, so it's something new in there. And yeah, the rubber band is there. You have sensor here. I'm turning it on by pressing this button. It's still turning on, and here we have one charging cable which is there, and one wristband. So if you see, this is longer, but here we have smaller one. So for smaller wrist just like mine, you can change it with that. Yeah, I remember when I bought the Galaxy Watch, they also give you the small one and the longer one.